We're going to work on installing some junkyard parts on my son's OBS truck. Took a trip to my local junkyard to pick up door panels and shocks for my son's truck. Let's go install them. We're not putting power windows in this thing, so we're gonna do the manual. So I need to just cut out that hole right there. Got these clips off of Amazon. They say they fit, so we'll see. Well, those don't work. All right, those clips suck. Don't buy them. What are we putting on?
Handles, doors, and
cool. I'm gonna have to file these down. So they both go on, and you have to do a set screw now. So they go on like this, and then this goes in here, and you have to set a screw to how they look. So when the window's up, do you want them like that?
yeah.
Okay. We have to put in the set screw. When it's on there, we have to tighten it all down. Okay? So that's in. Come look at this. Okay. I'm gonna try something. What if you do a set screw on the inside and then you do a set screw on the outside? Check it out. Does it work?
Yep.
What's wrong with the truck?
Nothing wrong with the truck, but maybe you could paint this
Yeah.
and then get a headliner.
It's on the list.
Okay.
And what's wrong with the carpet?
Nothing, just leave it. Don't put carpet in there. This looks better. But that, you gotta paint that black.
What black?
The armrest. Red doesn't match.
You're the boss.
And these things, you can buy something to go here that is like this, but you take this little thing, you put it in, and you can buy them in different colors, and that might look good black too.
Okay, so what you're saying is reverse everything I've done and redo it?
No.
Okay.
Oh, is this just a panel that's covered?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, it's almost like vinyl, but it kind of sticks on and then you push it in.
It's good to have you come out and criticize everything we do.
It's not criticizing.
How's that look, Jack? You like that? Okay, let's tighten it down. I bought these shocks at the junkyard, so we're going to try to install these today. See if it helps. And then inspect the lower mounting points that we installed the bracket on, and maybe weld those up. All right, let's see underneath this thing. This is the first time I've taken a look at this underneath here. All right. Those are my brackets right there. And there's that one over there. Grind this down and put a bead, a weld right there, so these things don't move. Those held, those are garbage. Welds all held. Bolts are still good. I think we're good underneath here. Look, the weld's held. Let's get to work. So much better on the light. There. Yeah, that was the problem. Weld those in place so they don't move. They're moving the entire time. Oh, the light is so much better here. Now we can be friends with the suspension. That's not gonna go anywhere. And before you comment about my welds, you weren't here to help. I feel like I've done this like 17 times. Well, the air shocks twice, and then the other ones twice, and then these ones once, and then the junkyard once. So about 6 times I've taken these off. That one was tough. Rough country. It's getting warm. It's better than being cold. There should be a dramatic difference between these shocks and the last ones. My friend, the transmission leak is still here. From the muscle. Okay, let's see if we can do this again. Oh my gosh. Rough country. Those are tough. I think it's good. Let's see. Rough country. Check out these old shocks. Ooh, they don't even go back up. Super bad. They're going in the basura. Well, we got all our junkyard parts on this truck. We are almost at 10,000 subscribers. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching and take it easy.